Writer, lyricist Javed Akhtar and wife actor Shabana Azmi tore into MIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi at the India Today conclave. Owaisi came in for sharp attack for refusing to chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Let's listen in to both Javed Akhtar and Shabana Azmi.
You said that you were proud of saying Bharat Mata Ki Jai, you believed it was your right, and you questioned without naming him Asaduddin Owaisi, the MIM MP from Hyderabad, who you believed, in a sense, did not reflect the true Indian cultural ethos, did not represent our plurality. But do you believe that Asaduddin Owaisi, because he says, I will not say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, even as he says you have the right to say it, is anti-national as he is being described today by some?
I mean, one is declared anti-national at a drop of a hat, or a topi in this case. But you see, it is not only what you are saying, it is also why you are saying and how you are saying. If you say that, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा, क्या कर लेंगे आप? Now, this is a kind of a challenge. This is a kind of stance of confrontation which is not advisable at all. Not only to him, for anybody, I'll say the same thing. क्या कर लेंगे आपका क्या मतलब है? Suppose, because of any reason, you have any reservation against this word Mata, because you are willing to say Jai, you are willing to say Ki, you are willing to say Bharat, so your problem is with this word Mata. Suppose you have, why should we go into detail? Can you say it in a sensible, polite manner? Can you explain why you are saying it, which may outrage so many people? So you owe some explanation to the nation if you are taking this kind of a stand, or you don't have any explanation, except for the fact that it has not been mentioned in the Constitution. It is the confrontational attitude which causes problem. You can say anything. You can say, I will not accept that this is the month of March. But you can say, make it very aggressive. There is no reason to do that. First of all, besides that, when you say Bharat Mata, let's come to phase 2. You, in Urdu poetry, Madare Watan is a common expression, oh, motherland. All over the world, people say motherland. Bharat Mata ultimately means motherland, and you are only qualifying the land by Bharat. So what is the problem with that? And why? And if in spite of that you have any problem, you have, in a democratic society, you have the right to express your point of difference or your reservation, but it should not be confrontational, it should not be challenging. That is bad for the society, that is bad for the harmony of a country, that is bad for, and you are feeding, you are making people stronger, giving them fodder, providing them reason to spread more hatred.
I'd like to ask Owaisi Saab, would he be okay saying Bharat Ammi Ki Jai? If he would be okay asking Bharat Ammi Ki Jai instead of Bharat Mata, if he's got the problem with Mata, not with Bharat.
This is your question to Mr. Owaisi.
Mr. Owaisi.
I shall keep that in mind, but I'm just wondering whether this is the difference between a politician who consciously wears his identity on his sleeve versus one who wears it lightly. You've got one in Asaduddin Owaisi who wears his sherwani, wears his topi, actually is a Bharat law from Lincoln's Inn, but deliberately, in a sense, wants to be defined by a traditional Muslim identity versus a Javed Akhtar who perhaps has never...
No, I have 4 or 5 sherwanis. Let me make it...
You have sherwanis?
Yes. And I wear sherwani. As a matter of fact, I almost came here in a sherwani. I mean, I can't surrender sherwani to Mr. Owaisi, that's for sure. But you see, the problem is that identity is not singular. This is the problem with the fundamentalists on both the sides. They try to kill rest of your identity, then turn it into a singular monolith thing. But you see, the problem is that identity is not singular. This is the problem with the fundamentalists on both the sides. They try to kill rest of your identity, then turn it into a singular monolith thing.
Asaduddin Owaisi told me this once. He said that अगर इनको मुझसे इतनी तकलीफ है, tell them to contest an election against me in Hyderabad.
Let Hyderabad.
Breaking news coming in this afternoon. Bomb scare at the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. Threat to Air India. Nepal Airlines flight. All on board 2 flights have been detained. There's check.
So this time it's going to be me who's going to be talking to you.
It's going to be me who's going to tell you what's new from the world of technology. We have news, we have reviews, and we have Sahil doing the Redmi Note 3 review. And